Today we are going to make a baked simple cheesecake the way I like it. Let's get started. We will need 500 of Philadelphia light cheese, 200 grams of caster sugar, 10 grams of cornstarch, 4 large eggs, and 250 grams of thick cream to be whipped. First, we will turn on the oven to 200 degrees. Next, we will wet the baking paper to make it easier to place on our round detachable tin tray. I use a 20 centimeter diameter tray for this recipe. We will begin to add the Philadelphia in a bowl and sugar. With a mixer, slowly mix to blend in together, as our cheese can be a little hard. Once it has softened, we will add 1 egg at a time and mix. Now we can add our sifted cornstarch. And continue mixing. Then add the thickened cream and mix for 3 to 5 minutes. We are ready to pour it into our tray. Give it a shake, and in the oven it will go. After 30 minutes, we will cover our cake with foil so it does not burn from the top, and cook it an extra 15 minutes. Switch your oven off, and with a wooden spoon block the oven door so it cools off slowly. After 4 hours, take your cake out of the oven and leave it in the fridge for an extra hour. Now we are ready to peel off the paper. I turn it upside down with another plate to remove the paper easily and flip it back. Finally, sprinkle with icing sugar. You can eat this delicious cheesecake with ice cream, blueberries, whipped cream, whatever your heart desires. Enjoy!